his likes to use that.
I can't anymore. I can't. Welcome, without further ado, Justin Tan.
Hello, everybody.
Yes.
God, you're so cool.
Was that inhale, exhale, like on a loop?
Yeah. So that's a drag technique where you incorporate inward sounds and outward sounds to create some textures that contrast with one another. So he was doing, but way faster. F, hutta, f, hutta, f, hutta.
I'm just hyperventilating.
I know.
That's kind of what it is.
What the hell is that?
I don't even know.
That's an high inward. So
It's inward?
He vocalizes, correct. He vocalizes the inward bass you're hearing earlier that was like super deep and consistent. Now he's just adding a high inward vocal.
Yeah. Like on the inhale though?
Yeah, so it's like that's inwards, right? And then it's when you gasp inwards. Then sometimes you have like super high pitch reaction. So you
that bass that King Inertia does. Obviously, I'm not expecting to be able to produce it, but can you at least walk me through the idea behind it?
if air can flow out and vibrate them, air can flow in. And so beatboxers have played with them enough to be able to
manipulate that. Yeah,
have that different texture. And it sounds different because you have a different kind of resonance compared when it goes out to when it goes in. It's the epiglottis used for primarily the inward bass that you heard from King Inertia.
So the epiglottis is kind of like a leaf-shaped cartilage, and it's got some muscle called the aerial epiglottis along the side, and that folds down. So when our larynx goes up to swallow, that folds down like this against the larynx to make sure our food and water and everything goes down the esophagus and not down our trachea. So that means he's half triggering this, and that's creating the wave.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow. So that's a swallow. It's part of the swallowing mechanism and part of the pressure relief valve used for that sound. It makes sense because that's way larger than the false folds. So the larger something is, the slower it can move. But it's so cool. It's so cool.
I can link you to videos where one of my friends, he put a laryngoscope, endoscope down his throat, and he has footage of doing that.
Yes, definitely want to see that. So how would one start to learn to be able to do that?
First, get a feel of what chest bass is, which is basically the singing growl. Try to grunt it out, and then slowly do small grunts out, and then draw it back in just a tad bit, like. And as you feel the little like tug inwards, where it's like it's as if they are stopping the air from coming in, that's when you know that they are engaging. And if they're engaging,
right.
Then you can continue to draw the air in a bit more. But often it leaves your throat feeling a little bit inflamed in a way because you're not used to
have a burning
muscles.
Sensation for sure.
Yeah,
just because of the way you're using that. So it's similar process to learn to scream metal and things like that. There's you overdo it at first. You kind of figure out what muscles to trigger, and then you learn an efficiency involved, so you don't actually hurt your voice. Johnny, have you settled on the sound you would like Justin to teach you?
I think I want to try with just a basic kick and snare, so I can possibly do that at a show.
Smart.
Oh,
just your basic like, like I know it's probably stupid simple, but
it's there. Okay, but let me teach you how to put it in a beat. Like
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
how to think.
Yeah, like
what
actually
we
have the
call-
hi-hat pattern. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna give you a bit of a tough one since you already know the pattern. Can you say pocketer?
Pocketer.
Pocketer.
Okay. Pocketer. Now you say pocketer ka.
Pocketer ka.
Pocketer.
Pocketer ka.
Yeah. And then we're gonna add a groove to it. So pocketer ka.
Pocketer ka. Pocketer ka.
Okay.
Ka.
Now enunciate all of those consonants to bring it to pocket. Pocket.
Pocket. Okay. Pocket. So how do you get the pocket?
You're doing it great.
Pocketer.
You're doing it great.
Pocketer. Pocketer.
There you go.
Pocketer.
Yes.
Pocketer. Pocketer.
How do you make it beefier though?
Yeah. So the
Pocketer.
B,
Yeah.
think P rather than B, and think about compressing your lips more.
Okay.
Make it more explosive.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Quick tip for your B would be
Okay. Yeah.
tense your cheeks and lips down the center. Right now they are so that's
Yeah,
why it
okay.
can sound a bit weak.
Oh.
There
Yes.
you go.
Let me hear it again. Yes.
Can you? What about the secret for the snare?
The next level would be to just play around with the amount of air that you're putting. So instead of like, you can go slice it up. Yeah.
All right, a little short,
Just
punchy.
a short explosive.
So it's more of the breath that's
Yeah.
doing it. Okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then you can speed it up.
And well done, Johnny. That was great.
Yeah. You got it.
I've been trying to make it sound like that for 20 years, literally. So I've been a band for 20 years.
As far as bass goes, it's either the lip bass, the inward bass,
lip,
which could be the
tongue.
epiglottis, or false
Yeah.
folds.
So you can think of it as you have 3 layers of producing oscillation, right? There's your lip, tongue. Actually, there'll be 4. There's your lip, there's your tongue, there's your uvula, and then there's whatever's in your throat. So from
like
from
a
different
snore bass.
areas. Yeah.
Wow.
Can you give us one example of each of those 4? I just want to hear the difference.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So let's start with the lips. So lips. This is with outward lips. There's so many variations for this.
Yeah.
And then inward would be the inward
That
lip roll.
one's wild.
That one is wild.
And you can vocalize both in and out. That's lips.
So do
Or tongue.
you have to contort your lips like that though to make that sound?
Yeah,
You have to be tight on one side to loosen these other
correct.
things.
Correct.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
I can do it through the middle.
Just gonna hold them together.
So
That's
it's
crazy.
a matter of practice.
Wait, sorry, do the middle again. I missed it. It's insane. Okay, so
the
that's-
tongue position comes into play too. So yeah, that's lips out and in, and then tongue out would be. Yeah, and you could put your vocals on top of that too.
Right.
Put a high vocal. Yeah, and then you can do that inwards too. So if you fold your tongue.
Ooh, that was something.
You got yeah. You feel that bass, a bit of that bassiness. So
No,
you
you're
just
the
need
dentist.
the tip of your tongue to be oscillating.
Oh,
Means
so the backside is
one part is One part is you've tensed it up, and then kids like to use that.
I can't anymore. I can't. Okay,
You
so
shouldn't.
keep going. Where did I'm crying. Where did the
Okay.
other basses?
So then now your uvula would be, as you heard, the snore, or if outwards, so it's like gargling water. But if you shape it right,
It's like the Chewbacca sound.
Ooh. Okay.
Shogo uses as well trumpet shape with the bass texture.
See, I would have thought that
so
was
you
the
have
tongue.
a nice tone. You can do it with the tongue too, but
Yeah, but
this one
that's-
sounds a bit more gentle. Yeah,
I'm just
yeah, and then with
snoring.
the snore-
I'm trying to.
and there's the outward snore bass. So there's the we call it nasal bass.
That's so cool.
So my uvula
Like,
is
what is that
vibrating
sound?
as I breathe through my nose.
Oh, my
Then
stomach hurts.
finally you
All
have
right.
your throat. So
Yes,
you have
yes, throat. Okay.
na 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 na, and those are out, and then there's inwards na na na.
That one's. Those are insane to me. The inward ones are just. I can't wrap my head around it.
The technique he was using the hollow clops, the one where beatboxers do like the. That's the water.
How did you do
drinking
that?
water
Wait,
sound.
well, yeah, what is that?
So the it's basically him clopping his tongue onto the bottom of his mouth. So it's like a clap. So you're like doing la la
I
la
can't get any
la.
sound.
You can do like, right?
Yes. But
Correct.
that's a
So it's
suction
the-
release.
That's a suction release, correct? So now you're just lifting your tongue up and letting it fall down. Over time, you gain more and more strength, and it'll get louder and louder. So that's only step one. Step two
Okay.
is to raise your soft palate so that you get a hollow sound. Raise your soft palate and drop your throat. So from. In fact, you can already see, if you can see my soft palate being raised.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So what he's doing there is he's doing a throat kick. It's like when you, when you cough,
Right.
but you hold it in. And he's clopping his tongue while he does it.
Thank you. You're amazing.
Yeah, you're so cool, man.
You are. We've said this time and time again. I think you're an absolutely fantastic teacher. The way you're
you so
able to
much.
articulate things, and then the demonstrations on top of it. It's just
Yeah, you really I mean, the parts you guided me on, I was like, yeah, the step by step. You just like eased me into it in a good way. That was awesome.
If you're curious at all about beatboxing, learning more, please check out the links in the description to learn directly from Justin. Any beatbox videos you guys want us to check out, whether the solos, competition, whatever, please leave them in the comments because that's what we go back over to check out for future reactions. Bye!
See y'all. Check out our beatboxing videos. Our playlist.
Oh.